Welcome to Mishna, Salem, Shevuot, Perek Aleph, Mishnah Gimel. Over here, continuing with the Tumat Mikdash v'Kodashav. So, in last Mishnah, we spoke about that you need to have Yedi'ah in the beginning and the end. And we spoke about a case where a person had Yedi'ah in the beginning, but he didn't know at the end. And we said the seir that's brought inside on Yom Kippur is toleh, right? It holds him, right, until he remembers, and then he can bring a korban olev yored. Now we're going to speak about en b'yedi'ah b'techila v'yesh b'yedi'ah basof. He never knew in the beginning. He didn't know that there was an isur to go into the Beit HaMikdash when he's tameh, eat a korban when he's tameh. Aval yesh b'yedi'ah basof. He knew later on that it's asur. He found out that it's asur. So there's somewhat of a knowledge that that he was impure, that he wasn't allowed to do so. So what's the law? First of all, what kind of case is this? This is Harambam says this is really a case of tinok shenishba, right? Tinok shenishba min hagoyim. If you had a child, a kid who was taken captive by the goyim, right? Bar minan, something that we're still dealing with today, and he didn't know that it was asur for Bnei Yisrael to go to the Beit HaMikdash when he's tameh. Now, afterwards, he didn't know he was tameh. He went to the Beit HaMikdash, and afterwards he found out that he was tameh, and you're not allowed to go into the Beit HaMikdash when you're tameh. Okay, so now he had no knowledge in the beginning that it was asur, and afterwards he found out yesh b'yedi'ah basof. So how does he get kapara? Sa'ir nasa b'chutz v'yom kippurim mechaper. Right, the sa'ir that's brought outside. Right, so the Gemara explains. It says the sa'ir that's brought with the korban musaf of Yom Kippur, and Yom Kippur itself. The day is mechaper. Shneimar milavad chatat kippurim. Al shezeh mechaper, zeh mechaper. Right, it's mechaper on on both over here. Yeah, right. The same way. The amash hazeh, right, meaning the seir that's brought inside is mechaper. So too the seir that's brought outside is also mechaper on tumat mikdash v'kadashav. Ma pinim bi eno mechaper ela davar sheyesh bo yedi'ah. The same way the seir that we brought in last Mishnah that's brought inside is not mechaper only on something that he has some type of knowledge. Over there he had knowledge at the end, right? Sorry, there he had Mishnah knowledge only in the beginning, but he never found out afterwards that he was tameh. So he said that the seir that's brought inside on Yom Kippur is toleh, right? It holds him until he remembers he can bring his korban olev yored. So to the seir that's brought outside is also eno mechaper. It's only mechaper on something where he has some type of knowledge. Right? He found out afterwards that it was asur to go into the Beit HaMikdash tameh. So both of these goats are mechaper on situations where he has some type of knowledge. So if he has full knowledge, one in the beginning and the end, he has to bring a korban olev yored. If he has some type of knowledge, so it depends if he knew in the beginning or if he knew at the end, right? If he knew in the, if he only found out. If you only knew in the beginning, so we said that's last Mishnah, then the seir that's brought inside is mechaper. If you only found out afterwards, but didn't know in the beginning was asur, then the seir that's brought outside is mechaper. And next Mishnah we're going to discuss what if he has no knowledge at all. He never knew it was asur, and he never found out that it's asur. What's the case, right? How does he get kapara over there?